Hello, this is Eon from Mobilink. Is there an efficient way to use wired tools that run on unused household electricity outdoors or while camping? If you have an electric bicycle or an electric scooter battery pack, you can use it. Most mobility devices can also discharge power from their charging ports. Therefore, if you connect an inverter to the charging port using the same connector, you can generate AC electricity of 110 volts or 220 volts. The inverter has an output frequency with two types, 50 Hz and 60 Hz. In the United States, 110 volts with 60 Hz frequency is used. Most appliances are compatible with both 50 and 60 Hz. However, fans and power tools that use motors are different. If the inverter's output frequency doesn't match, the power tools may not work properly. There are two types of waveforms, square wave and sine wave. To ensure stable power production, it is recommended to use a sine wave inverter and check the rated capacity instead of the maximum capacity. You can make a purchase based on this information. Using a high-capacity electric bicycle battery pack allows you to easily use powerful tools for an extended period of time, anywhere you go. Currently, these inverters are designed based on the voltage of automotive lead-acid batteries, so they may shut down slightly earlier than the actual battery capacity. This does not cause harm to the battery life or lead to malfunctions, as the battery is not fully discharged. You can also charge other electric bicycle batteries using an inverter. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking it. This was Mobilink. Thank you for watching. Please also show interest in electric bicycle books.